Good morning, children. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Joyce, your maths teacher. Hope you all are fine. Tell me, children, which chapter we are studying now? Yes, subtraction up to 20. We have learned how to subtract numbers using number line in the previous class. Did you practice it? So today, we will learn how to subtract numbers by counting backward. We have already learned how to subtract numbers by counting backward. So children, let us solve some problems today. Children, do you remember how to count numbers backward? Yes, we have learned how to subtract numbers by counting backward on the number line in the previous class. So today, let us subtract numbers by counting backward. Okay? Let us solve some problems. Our first problem, 11 minus 7. In this method, we will keep the first number in our mind and take the second number in our fingers. Here, it is the first number, 11. Then, second number, 7. So, let us take 7 fingers. Then, count backward from 11. That is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So, 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. So, we can write here 4. The next problem, 13 minus 6. So, tell me children, which number will you keep in mind? Yes, 13. Then, which number will you take in fingers? Yes, 6. Then, count backward from 13. That is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So, our answer is 7. Okay, children. Then, 14 minus 4. Tell me which number will you keep in mind? Yes, 14. Then we will take 4 in our fingers. Okay. Then count backward from 14. That is 13, 12, 11, 10. So our answer is 10. Very good. Then what is the next problem? 16 minus 5. Okay. Which number will you keep in mind? Yes, 16. Then which number will you take in fingers? Yes, that is 5. Okay. So let us take 5 fingers, then count backward from 16. That is 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. So our answer is 11. So we can write here 11. Then the last problem, 19 minus 1. It is very easy, isn't it? Yes. We will keep 19 in our mind and take 1 finger. Then count backward from 19. Which number comes before 19? Yes, it is 18. So our answer is 18. So children, in this way, you can subtract numbers by counting backward. Okay children?
Let us do some mental maths problems in your textbook. You can subtract numbers by counting backward method. Let us start the first problem, that is 13 minus 3. Let us keep the number 13 in our mind and take 3 in our fingers, because we will keep the bigger number in our mind and will take the smaller number in our fingers. Then count backward from 13, that is 12, 11, 10. That is 13 minus 3 is equal to 10. Okay children? Let us solve the next problem. 14 minus 4. Here also we will keep the number 14 in our mind and will take the smaller number, that is 4, in our fingers. Then count backward from 14, that is 13, 12, 11, 10. That is 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. The next problem, 19 minus 9. Children, can you guess the answer? Yes. In the above two problems, the ones place digits are same. And only one digit, that is 1, in the tens place. Then the answer we get 10. Here in this problem, we can see the ones place digits are same, that is 9, and 1 in the tens place. So our answer will be 10. That is 19 minus 9 is equal to 10. The next problem, 11 minus 1. Here also the ones place digits are same. So our answer will be 10. The next problem, 15 minus 5. What will be the answer? Yes, 10. And the next problem, 18 minus 8. Here, ones place digits are same. Which are the ones place digit? Yes, 8. So, our answer will be 10. Okay, children? I hope you have understood how to find out the answer. Let's move to the next problem. 18 minus 0. We know if we subtract 0 from any number, the number will be the answer. That is 18 minus 0 is equal to 18. Okay. Then the next problem 15 minus 15. Here the two numbers are same. We know when we subtract a number from itself, 0 will be the answer. So 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. Then the next problem 16 minus 1. Yes, if we subtract 1 from a number, what will be the answer? The number that comes before will be the answer. Tell me children, which number comes before 16? Yes, it is 15. That is 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. Okay children? Then the next problem 16 minus 15. Here the number 15 comes before 16. That is the difference between 16 and 15 is 1. That is if we subtract 15 from 16, 1 will be the answer. Then the next problem 19 minus 18. Here also the number 18 comes before 19. That is the difference between 19 and 18 is 1. So 19 minus 18 is equal to 1. Children, these mental maths problems can be solved quickly only if you practice it well. So children, study and practice maths problems every day. Okay?
I hope you have understood how to subtract numbers by counting backward. I have attached the notes of lesson along with this video. You have to download the notes and copy down to your notebook. And you have to do one exercise problem in your textbook. Will you do that? Okay. So, let me conclude today's session. Thank you.